What's up, Peak Timers? This is the brand new Hot Wheels Range Rover Velar, and we're gonna see how many of these awesome, fast, extreme SUVs the Range Rover Velar can beat. And here we are for our first race, and let's have a look at that Range Rover Velar. Check out the great Tampa work on the back of it. Really cool silver color from the side, nice chrome wheels, great Tampa works on the front. I love that blacked out roof line as well. It's going up first against the Jeep Wrangler in this gorgeous looking green color, all done out off-roady. We'll see how well it does down our Peak Time Racing track. Here we go for race number 1. On your mark, get set, go! And the Jeep Wrangler loses the first race to give the win to the Range Rover Velar. There it is in lane number 2, and it is going up against the Land Rover Defender Double Cab. Check this one out. A very popular casting that was released first last year. This is one of the original releases of it. I love the color of it. I love the big, mean, aggressive look of the Land Rover Defender Double Cab. Let's see if the Range Rover Velar can beat it. Here we go, race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! Looks like the Land Rover Defender Double Cab is gonna have to go hit the mechanic as it broke down halfway through this race. And there are our 2 losing SUVs so far facing the wall, giving the wins to the Range Rover Velar. But now it is going up against the Dodge Durango SRT, and this one is from Greenlight. Check out the white color on this. It's got a trailer hitch, but the trailer's been removed. Blacked out wheels, really cool looking, aggressive design. I love this car. Let's go ahead and see if it can beat that Range Rover Velar, which has won 2 of its 2 races so far. Race number 3, on your mark, get set, go! And that Dodge Durango takes a loss for the SUVs, giving another win to the Range Rover Velar. But now we've got the Lamborghini Urus that is going up against the Velar. We've got the fast ones coming up. Let's see, can the Urus be the first one to beat the Range Rover Velar? Here we go, race number 4. On your mark, get set, go! And the Lamborghini Urus loses the race. That's 4 losses for the SUVs. That Range Rover Velar is a quick one, but check out what it's going up against now. We've got the Mercedes-Benz AMG G63 6x6. We're gonna find out, is 6 wheels faster than 4? I love this casting by Matchbox, my favorite casting ever by Matchbox. Let's go ahead and put it right there in lane number 2, going up against our Range Rover Velar. Can the Velar win the 5th race and go 5 for 5, or will the 6x6 take the first win for Team SUVs? On your mark, get set, go! Races and 5 wins for the Range Rover Velar, doing very well. Let's find out what it does now against the Tesla Model X, which is in ludicrous mode. We're gonna find out one of the world's fastest SUVs. Can it finally take the win against the Range Rover Velar, or will the Velar go 6 for 6? We're gonna find out right now. Here we go, on your mark, get set, go! Ludicrous mode on the Tesla Model X was just too fast for that Range Rover Velar. So the Range Rover Velar beats 5 out of 6 cars, only the Tesla Model X being the one to beat it. Let me know in the comments down below which was your favorite SUV that raced today. Make sure you smash that thumbs up, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.